Hi, it's Mr. Baumgarten, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to create a simple box with a lid that fits. And this can be quite handy for your plant pot project because really that's what you need for your plant pot. And you need three boxes, one for the water tank, one for the soil, one for the electronics, and probably have them fit together. So let's just walk through this, shall we? I will get rid of my history sidebar because it's in the way, and get rid of the items for now. All right, let's get my top view clicked on. My grid is on 1 millimeters, so I'm going to make a 10 cm by 10 cm box. Let's go for about 15 cm high, shall we? So I'm going to start by sketching myself a rectangle, and 10 cm is 100 mil. Let's just bring this down here. 100 mil, like that. Okay, that could go. Exit sketching. Okay, there is the base for my box. So the first thing I am going to do is extrude that up about 3 mil for the base of the box. Done. Hit the enter key. That is done. Right. Now I'm going to select this top edge here. And if I hold down the control key and click, sorry, the shift key, and click on the other matching sides, and then I'm going to use the offset edge tool to say I want to offset this edge. In this case, I want to come in about 3 mil. Hit tick, done. Now I've got two different selectable faces or surfaces. And so I can now click on this one, and I'm going to just reorientate. Let's go for a front-facing view. Zoom out a bit, and I said I was going to make this 15 cm high. It's already 3 mil on the bottom, so I need another 147 to come up. 147. Enter, and if I look, I have a box. There we go. Now I want to make a lid that's going to fit on it. So let's do that. Let's just go back to our top view again and create another rectangle that is 10 by 10 cm. Sorry, yep, 100 mil by 100 mil. And now as I grab this, again, I will make this 3 mil high. Right? And similar technique. Let's just zoom in on this. Select, what was it? It was Shift key to get the 4 edges. Fill edge is the wrong tool. I want to offset the edge. Now this time I'm going to make it 3.1 because I want just a little bit of margin of room there because it's not going to be an absolute perfect print. All right, so 3.1, and now this I am going to extrude up about 5 mil, just so it's got a nice solid connection. Enter on that. Now if I want, I can also just select these 4 sides, and we'll just make this, let's make that 5 mil again, just keep it nice and solid. And now this can go back down 5 mil. And there we go. I have a lid piece that should clip in. So when I rotated it around, it will fit into that lid space quite nicely. Now, if I didn't want, this to be quite so thick, like to be protruding on the inside of this space, I could make a little gap in here by selecting these edges here, offset that edge, right, and I could come in, half of this distance. So in this case, it would have been about 1.5 mil, right, and then selected that and kind of brought that down half, 5 mils or something like that, and done that. So then on the inside, it could be a nice smooth, it's consistent thickness the whole way through, even when the lid's in place. But the way I've done it, I don't need that. So anyway, there you go, box with a lid. Now I can then obviously now rotate this. 180, right? And keep building up, build a new box on it. See if I want to have multiple layers of box with a lid, and then having another box on top of that. I could just keep on going and then build another lid that goes on top of that, and so on and so on. I can now just bring that in. Let's make another 3 mils and build another wall up. Let's make this one 50. All right, and there we go. So I've got a lid piece that fits on top of the first, and I've made a compartment for the second, and I can just make another lid using the same approach. All right, this is Mr. Bongarden signing out.